Hello people, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Picky Vegan, or welcome to my channel if you're new. Please subscribe. I'd love to see more of you and I'd love to see your comments and all that good stuff. So today is Recipe Tuesday. So usually on Recipe Tuesdays what I do is that I post new recipes, obviously. So Valentine's Day is in 2 days. I prepared a few easy recipes that are pretty much quick, you know, that you can whip up real quick for bae or for your friends, for anybody really, for yourself, for Valentine's Day, so you don't feel alone. So make sure you're subscribed to my channel and let's get up into this video. So to start off your morning, you want to start with your strawberry pancakes. Whether if you're single or not, or you have a bae, just make it for them or for yourself. Like, damn, you'll love this. So add a half a cup of flour and then some cinnamon into that bowl. Add some cane sugar, guys, and some invisible powder. You want to mix that well, and then add your almond milk to that. Then you want to add some vanilla extract. I forgot salt, so you want to add your salt right now. I was going to say sel because of French. Add some NESQUICK. Yes, I love NESQUICK. It's so delicious. Apple cider vinegar is a must as well. 2 spoons of vegan butter, and mix that all well till everything is combined. Add a few drops of food dye to that and let it sit for a while. Well, you have to mix it first, obviously, and then after let it sit. So bring some butter to your skillet, you know, get that all warm and toasty like I'm doing right now, like the pro is doing, guys. And then add your mix to the skillet. And then voila, look at this. I added some bananas and such, and it is so delicious. Now for the strawberry milkshake, you just want to measure your ice with the glass, if that makes any sense. Like so, and then put it in your blender cup. Today I'm going to be using Silk Creamer and Almond Breeze almond milk, which is unsweetened. Fill your glass with some almond milk and leave some room for the creamer. Fill the rest of the glass with the creamer, then add the rest to your blender cup. Sorry guys, I'm really tired. And then blend everything else together. Sorry, missing footage. But add everything to a glass and it should look like this. Top with some So Delicious coconut whipped cream and some powdered cinnamon and a strawberry on the side, and drizzle with some NESQUICK syrup, and bam. Now, since it's Taco Tuesday, I decided to make a taco pizza. Yummy. So you want to just dice your peppers like so, and preheat your oven to 425, actually not 400 degrees like I did in this video. And then while that's doing its magic, you just want to start cooking your stuff, like basically what is on the screen. Oh my god, guys, sorry guys if I'm sounding so tired, but stick with me. Every recipe is worth it. Okay, just add half of the bag because you're going to use the rest for the next recipe. Add 3 cups of corn and half of your taco seasoning mix. Mix everything together, and after when you're done, set aside. Now I bought this bread at Maxi. This one is actually one of my favorites, that's why I picked it up. But pick up any crust you want, and that is vegan actually. Add your spaghetti sauce, only a fourth of it, and spread evenly. Today I'm going to be using Diet cheese. It was on sale at Avril in Montreal, so if you want to pick that up, well, go get it while it's on sale. Just sprinkle a little bit of cheese on it, and then add your peppers to the mix, and then top it on your pizza like so. And make sure everything is all even, all nice, all nicely spreaded. And then you want to add your vegan cheese on top of the pizza. Spread it all nice and evenly, and then place it in the oven for about 15 to 20 minutes. Depend on your oven, so you just want to check on it like every 7 minutes, and the cheese will let you know if it's done or not. And then make sure you wash your lettuce, okay, and then chop it as finely as you can, so it's just gonna be better for when you're gonna eat the pizza, if that makes any type of sense. Me with my tired self, guys. I'm working so hard. So when it looks like this, you just want to set it aside and start your vegan ranch. It's so easy and so simple, don't go away. So start by using a half a cup of vegan mayonnaise. I buy my mayonnaise at Walmart actually, if you wanted to know. And I'm using 1/4 of almond milk, unsweetened and with no flavor because that would just be weird. 2 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar and a half a teaspoon of pepper and a half a teaspoon of salt. Add your dill weed as well, 1 spoonful, and some parsley. When that is all said and done, add some garlic powder, paprika, and then you want to whisk it all together. And when that is all done, just transfer it into a mason jar, and this should last a couple of days, maybe 7 to 10 days. Then take out your pizza, add your lettuce on top, and then you want to drizzle your ranch sauce on top of the pizza. Yummy. Now let's talk about these mini chocolate donuts. I actually got inspired by it. Well, not inspired, I actually imitated this recipe from Loving It Vegan. The link is in my bio, as well as every other recipe, but the other recipes are mainly by me. But basically, yeah, this is what the steps that I took to do it. Alright, almond milk, everything's on the screen, guys. Dash of vanilla extract, 2 tablespoons of applesauce and apple cider vinegar as well. Oh my god, can I speak? 2 tablespoons of coconut oil and a whisk all together. Heat your donut maker and oil it up. Then add the mix to your donut maker. This thing is so fast when it cooks, like it takes 5 minutes. So after like 5 minutes, I took everything out and I set them aside for like an hour to cool down. Then I started making my glaze. So a half a cup of powdered sugar and 1 spoonful and a half of almond milk, and then 4 drops of food dye and a dash of vanilla. So I set everything aside when that was said and done, and I dipped my donut into the glaze and then into the confetti. And yes, girl, look at that. And then that made about like 24 mini donuts. So yeah, bae gonna get it tonight. I'm single, guys, I'm just joking. Anyways, or you could take it to your coworkers or your friends. They'll be happy too, and you'll be happy because they're happy. Next up is this vegan bolognese. I love spaghetti, like, and it reminds me of Love, you know, Lady in the Tramp vibe. So for this recipe, I'm using my favorite spaghetti, the COCO quinoa one with rice and quinoa. So I started by boiling the water, and then I added some pink salt to the water, and then when it came to a boil, I just basically added my noodles, the full pack, because you're serving 2 people, right? So add 1 spoonful of olive oil, dice your onion, well, add your diced onions, and then toss till translucent, and then add the leftover beefless ground. Add a handful of spinach and then some cumin and some cayenne pepper as well. Spicy. Some garlic powder, and toss that around and around and around. And then add your leftover spaghetti sauce, because ain't nothing going to waste today, honey. Now this is like a hack, okay? Just rinse your jar with water, but then add it to your mix, if you guys understand what I'm saying. When your sauce comes to a boil, add your teaspoons of salt and some Italian seasoning, and then voila, baby. Then add your sauce on top. Alright, like this. So nicely done, guys. Look at that. Yummy. This serves 2 persons actually, so yeah. Or you could eat it alone like I did. These heart-shaped chocolates were made with love, guys, so stick around to get this full recipe. So you want to start with half a cup of coconut cream, and then half a cup of NESQUICK, the strawberry one, and then 2 spoonfuls of coconut oil, a little bit of pink salt, and then a dash of vanilla, and then whisk that around until it comes to a boil for like 5 minutes. And then you want to put that away in a Tupperware and then let it cool in the freezer for like 20 minutes. Then meanwhile, you want to melt a half a cup of chocolate chips with coconut oil. I warmed it up in the microwave, and then I added 3 more blocks of no sugar added chocolate, and then I added it to the microwave as well, and I whisked it until it was all smooth. And then I put it into my measuring cup, and then with that I poured it into my ice cube tray, which I got from the dollar store. Really cute, and it's heart shaped, so fill 1/3 of the hearts with the chocolate. Okay, and if everything gets messy, just like, you know, tilt it and then use a spatula to clean it up, and then some paper towel if you need it, and then let it freeze for half an hour. Then when that is said and done, you want to add your mix of the jelly that we made basically into the trays, and then add the rest of the chocolate on top. And then you want to start cleaning up if there's a mess, and then you're gonna let it chill for an hour into the freezer, and then after, when you take it out, it should look a little bit like this, or maybe even better if it doesn't melt, guys. But yeah, pretty much this is how it's summed up. Okay guys, don't come at me, I know this part is not super neat, but it is super cute and thoughtful. So I had leftover strawberries, dunked them into my chocolate as well that was left over, and drizzled the glaze on top, and this is what happened. Alright, so thank you so much for watching, guys. Hopefully I'll see you guys on my next video. Don't forget to subscribe because I post videos like these every Tuesdays, and I also post storytime Sundays. And I'm gonna try to include more videos during the week. I'm working hard on it. If it was up to me, I would be doing videos every day, but I mean, I gotta work. So yeah, hit that bell. Never know which side it is at. Alright, and all that good stuff. I love you guys so much. Bye. See you guys.